Have you ever thought about seeing the Bund from a different angle? This time, let's try something new. We're taking you up high to see Lujiazuy's nighttime view from the sky.
这次我们在复兴岛飞行基地新开通了3条航线，我们主打的一个航线是从复兴岛基地起飞到陆家嘴，这往返的一个飞行。这条航线我们起飞以后会经过杨浦滨江、杨浦大桥、北外滩，一直到陆家嘴做一个折返飞行。这次开通航线的直升机就是我身后这架，这是进口的美国贝尔429直升机，它是2+6的构型，也就是我们是2名飞行员然后一次可以携带6名乘客。
Now we're boarding now, so you have to fasten your seatbelt and put your headphone on. I have just finished my tour. It's absolutely amazing. You gotta skip the crowds and get the most comfortable way to experience the city. So what do you say? Do you want to give it a try?